Welcome to the class, dear students. In today's lecture, we are going to do another important problem on how to find out the value of k if he has given you the rank of the matrix is 3. So, the value of k you are going to find out. So, we are going to write down the matrix by reduce the matrix into by using the operations, and then the rank is already given as 3 and the matrix is of order 4 by 4, right? Since the rank is 3, definitely the determinant of this matrix is equal to 0. That is the first understanding. So what we do now, we just reduce the matrix to find out the determinant of the matrix. So what we do, we just try to make this element and this element to be 0. So what we do, first of all, we'll make this element as 1 1. That means A11 position we treat it as 1. So we can interchange the first and second rows. So R1 interchanging as R2, what we get is 1 1 minus 1 0, 4 4 minus 3 1, and then K2 2 minus 2, and then 9 K3. So this is what the matrix. Now our job is to make this element, this position and this position to be zeros by the help of the first one, A11 position. So what we can take now, R2 changed as R2 minus 4R1, and then R3 changed as R3 minus K times of R1, and R4 changed as R4 minus 9 times of R1. So when we do this operation, first row will be as it is. 4 minus 4 is 0, 4 minus 4 is 0. Now this is minus 3 minus 4 into minus 1. So that means minus 3 plus 4, that gives you 1. And then 1 minus 0 is 1. And then it is k minus k is 0. Now 2 minus k. And then here it is 2 plus k, and here it is minus 2. And this is 9 minus 9, 0, 0, and this is k plus 9, right? 9 times of minus 1 with a negative sign, and this is 3. So this is what the matrix we have changed. Now it is easy for us to find out the determinant of the matrix, correct? So what we do now, we find out the determinant of the matrix. Just what it is now, it is given by so this is the matrix, we got it. Now what we do, we just find out this column, we will take it as to find out the determinant. So it is equal to 1, the determinant of this matrix is given by 1 times of the determinant of 0 1 1, 2 minus k 2 plus k minus 2, 0 k plus 9 and 3. So this is what we did. This row, this column we have to see the determinant. Now what we get here, it is 1 times of only the value here for 2 minus k only we will take, because this is a column here. So it is negative of 2 minus k times of, now this is 1 into 3 minus k plus 9. So it is 3 minus k minus 9. And this should be equal to 0, because the determinant of this is equal to 0. Why? Since the rank is equal to 3. This is what the reason. Now let us do the operation here. It is anyhow negative, it is equal to 0. So 2 minus k times of minus k minus 6 is equal to 0, or you take negative sign, and now it is 2 minus k times of negative of minus k minus 6 is k plus 6 is equal to 0. So that implies 2 minus k is equal to 0, or k plus 6 is equal to 0. So that implies the value of k is 2, or the value of k is minus 6. Any of these two values k might be. Hence this is what the solution. I hope you could understand. Thank you.